Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shimpa Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatuyan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, as begins ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kaya kaya energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell and more videos update. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pag-support sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik tiglig nag-umapaw ng balik sa inyo biyaya. No? Pasensya na po sa ating pagtawa dahil ang aking asawa kung makatingin ay kakainin ako ng buhay. Char! So guys, umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit Messages. Bigyan mo ko ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Sagittarius. So, sagi. Anong pasabog at bulabog sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? So, there is a 5 of Wands. Okay, there is a 5 of Wands. So, sinasabi dito, there's a complications or there's a conflict. So, sinasabi dito, there's a competitors. Ganon. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na kailangan mong, baka nagkakaroon ng complication at because of, para nagiging, padalos-dalos, no? Para sinasabi, there's a 3 of Wands, there's a waiting for a result or waiting for a ship, no? Kumbaga, dapat marunong ka mag-antay or something. Baka itong inaantay mo, kumbaga, hinaharang or something, no? Kumbaga, binibigyan ng complication or may complication na nangyayari behind your back. So, wait ka lang dyan. And of course, there is the word card. Some of you baka may bala ka mga ibang bansa, no? There is a travel talaga. It's a good part. Talagang mayroong travel sa chart mo. So, sinasabi sa dito na may gala or may alis ka or baka mga ibang bansa ka or baka magtatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa or either baka magbabakasyon or something na may travel involvement. Additional messages. And of course, there's moon card. So, there's a truth reveal. So, ibig sabihin dito, maraming may ilalantad, maraming may ilalahad. So, ibig sabihin, maraming mga bagay na malalaman ka. Maraming revelasyon, secrets, mystery, ganon. There's a 4 of Pentacles, protect your power, protect your energy. And of course, there's a the moon represent the dreams. Maaring pinangarap mo makapag-ibang bansa, or maaaring ang pangarap mo ay may isa sa katuparan na. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new love life, new romance, no? Parang kung may love life o may asawa ka na, baka may balikan tamis ng tunay na pag-ibig. So, and of course, there's a 4 of Pentacles. So, protect your power, protect your energy. Let's see what is the 5 of Wands. Ano tong complication or competitor na to? There is a 7 of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities. Okay, maraming confusion. So, marami talaga ng gugulo. No? Talagang ginugulo ka nito. Maraming, kumbaga, marami sa paligid mo na nagugulo or naiingit sa'yo or something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng complication, no? Ginugulo nito yung eksena mo because there is a page of sword. Kumukuha to ng information or nag-stalk to by social medias or some of you, inaalam-alam na yung mga galawan mo. So, let's see what is the word card. So, there is a 3 of Swords. So, some of you talaga, no, laking inggit nito. Or some of you, kumbaga, there's a heartache or something. Kumbaga, maaaring inagaw mo yung jowa niya or inagaw mo yung asawa niya or inagaw yung partner mo or inagaw yung asawa mo, no? Some of you are cross-watcher out there, no? So, let's see what is the Moon card. So, there is a 6 of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. So, may mga pasabog dito na talagang bibigyan ka talaga ng pasabog na bulabog na magtutuloy-tuloy na raw, no? Tungkol sa finances mo. So, what is the Death card for a Pentacles? So, ibig sabihin transformation. Some of you mukhang madadagdagan ng savings mo or kumbaga investment mo. No? Transformation. There is an ending. So, some of you may mga bagay na kailangan mong baguhin. It's either your finance or it's either your business, your work, no? So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups. There is a 7 of Pentacles. There's an harvest time. At the end of the time, sinasabi dito na magkakaroon ka ng harvest time pagdating sa relasyon, pag-ibig, diba? pagmamahalan. Ay, ganun. So, what is the Five of Wands and the Seven of Cups? So, there's a Knight of Swords. So, there's a success driven. And of course, the Two of Pentacles na magdadala sa'yo ng balance. No? Keep doing what you're doing. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, magpatuloy ka kung anong ginagawa mo. No? Kasi baka makatulong to sa'yo para maging balance ang buhay mo. So, what is the Three of Wands and the Page of Swords? And because there's a Six of Wands. So, marami man taong humakad lang, maraming tao man na naiingit behind your back. No? Maraming taong sumusubaybay sa social media mo. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Six of Wands, there's a victory and success. You are on the spotlight. So, kaya pala pinagtitinginan ka kasi idol ka niya. Charis. Kumbaga, malaki yung inggit niya sa'yo. No? Ang inggit, walang gamot yan. So, what is the word card in the Three of Swords? And because there is a Ten of Swords, there is a backstabbing. So, some of you mag-ingat-ingat ka kung mga ibang bansa ka, kailangan secure at talagang kompleto yung papers mo, kailangan maayos yung agency mo, so maayos dapat yung company. Kasi the tendency, kumaga baka masaktan, mabastab ka, no? Mamaya hindi mo alam, binenta ka na. Ganon. Kumaga kailangan ma-aware ka, no? So, what is the Moon card in the Six of Pentacles? There's a Queen of Cups. Magkakaroon ka daw ng healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing about sa finances. So, what is the Four of Pentacles and the Death card? So, there's a Lovers. So, protect your power, protect your energy. Kumbaga, pagdating sa business nyo, maaari may partnership kayo. And because there is a transformation. So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups and of course, the Seven of Pentacles. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a strength card. There's the strongest energy. Kumaga, meron ditong confidence. Kumaga, kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence sa sarili mo, no? And of course, there is a strength card. There is a confident, no? Kumaga, kailangan magkaroon ka ng confident dito. Kasi at the end of the time, kailangan mo magkaroon ng confident. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Let's see what is the outcome. The outcome is the Hangman, no? The outcome is the Hangman. So, ibig sabihin na, baguhin mo yung perspective mo, baguhin mo yung pananaw mo, no? Tendencies, there is a Seven of Swords, there is a cheating lying on you, no? Maaaring may mga taong, nagsisinungaling behind your back, no? And because there is the Sun card, there is a pure positivity. Magkakaroon ka ng pure positive outcome dito. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle? See, there's the Snake. So, may ahas talaga, no? Kumbaga mag-ingat ka. Let's see what is additional messages. There is a camera. So, ibig sabihin dito, there is a memories. And because there is kumbaga, learn from the past. Dapat matuto ka na sa nakaraan mo, no? And because there is a fashion. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, having fun. Kumbaga, mag-enjoy ka muna sa sarili mo, no? Maring naahas to, or something inahas ka, or something ganon. Kumbaga, may involvement na ahas or backstabbing. Kaya may trader dito. Baka yung person mo nasa ibang bansa, di ba? Tapos nila, kumbaga may ahas pala, mayroong palang third party doon. Ganon. Yun yung oracle card. Okay. There's a change, no? May mga kailangan mong baguhin. And of course, there's a nurturer. Ibig sabihin, nurturer siya ang pagiging passion. And of course, there's also higher self, no? Palakasin ng iyong spiritual. And of course, there's a feminine. May babae talaga involved dito. May babae talaga. Meron ditong feminine energy. No, there's a third party involved. So, let's see what is this energy. Angel Spirit Guide. There's a healer of the ages. So, ibig sabihin, pagagalingin ka sa lahat ng aspeto, no? Sa lahat ng nararamdaman mo, physically and mentally and spirituality, no? So, let's see what is the energy. There's an angel of strength. Kumbaga, ibig sabihin dito, palalakasin ng, kumbaga, ang sarili mo, no? Magkakaroon ka ng confident dito at kaya mo nang labanan, harapin ang takot at pangamba. And of course, there's a door to the spirit. May pintuan talaga about sa spirituality. So, there's a spirituality involvement. Kumbaga, baka maaaring ginayuma tong person mo, kaya sunod-sunuran or something na, kumbaga, nilalandi, nor some of you guys na mayroon dito involvement na gayuma, no? There's a third party and gayuma. Okay, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. Additional messages. Additional messages, angel spirit guides. Okay, nalaglag na isa. Okay, sinasabi dito, there's a star keeper. Seed in the light, staying grounded. Kumbaga kung ano man kung nasan ka man, kung ano man kinakatayuan mo, magstay ka lang dyan. Now, and of course, you're not alone. So, ibig sabihin dito, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ibig sabihin dito, parang nagkakaroon ka ng stress and anxiety. And of course, parang nagkakaroon ka ng overthinking or being paranoid, ganon. What is, okay, Monsology. Hold your vision. Panghawakan mo yung hinala mo. Panghawakan mo yung nakikita mo. Believe the impossible. Diba? Maniwala ka sa mga imposible. No? Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Spend more time outdoors. So, kailangan mo mag-enjoy dyan sa labas, no? And of course, have confidence. Ayun yung sinasabi, kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence. Kumbaga, nawawalan ka ng kumpiyansa, siguro ganun. Kasi nga, bakit ka nga talaga pagpapalit kung talagang, di ba? Kung nakontento sa'yo, talagang mahal ka niya. Parang ganun. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a gratitude. So, sinasabi dito, mag-thankful ka sa mga opportunities na dumarating sa'yo. Kung ano man binibigay sa mga ng ating mga gabay na blessings. And of course, there's an health. So, there's an health issue. Nagkakaroon ka na stress talaga dito. And fear, I told you, fear. Itong fear na to, kailangan mo i-replace yan by awareness and of course, courage. What is Archangel Raphael? Good night sleep. So, some of you kailangan mo ng makatulog ng maayos. Baka nagkakaroon ka na anxiety talaga, hirap ka sa magtulog. Let's see what is the chakra. Chakra messages. Passion. So, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, gawin mo. No, kung ano yung makakapagpasaya. And of course, completion. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. No, and of course, there's a bittersweet. Pagkatapos ng pait, may tamis. No, pagkatapos ng mga pinagdaanan mo, no, hirap at sa pagdurusa. So, magkakaroon ng ngiti at tagumpay at kaligayahan ng inaasam-asam. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a body work. So, some of you kailangan nyo na massage, therapies. And of course, kailangan nyo ng healing. May physical. So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. There's a creation. So, ibig sabihin dito, ikaw yung, kumbaga, baka pinakain. Okay. Baka may pinakain sa kanya. And of course, there's a purification, paglilinis. So, kailangan malinis tong eksena na to. And of course, sinasabi din dito, there's a astral travel. So, ibig sabihin dito, meron kang kakayanan, no? Makita yung mga nangyayari from the past or from the future. So, let's see what is a Jesus loving quotes. Kumbaga, nakakarating yung spirits mo dun sa mga gusto mo pupuntahan or gusto mo malaman. Jesus loving quotes, heal the sick that they're in and say unto them, the King of God is coming to you. Ibig sabihin dito, hindi kayo gadi-iwan. Kumbaga, sa mga panahon, kailangan mo siya. So, ibig sabihin dito, pagagaling ka niya sa anumang uri ng sugat o akaramdaman na nararamdaman mo. No? Kumapit ka lang. So, let's see what is the angel's number messages. Angel's number. There's an 18. I am hard-hearted. So, ibig sabihin dito, you are both open-minded and open-hearted and your ambition is to live this world better than you found it. Ensure that your goals are aligned with the collective needs and within the highest good of all. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, handa kang talagang tumalikod sa mga nangyari sa'yo from the past, no? Kumbaga, kung alam mo makakabuti sa'yo at magiging maganda ang buhay mo sa mga susunod na panahon, kumbaga, dun ka, no? Kung saan ka makakabuti. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Talaga sinasabi dito, there's a strength. Oh my God, talaga sinasabi na kailangan mo maging matapang, maging malakas. Ang lakas ng energy, ilang beses yan pinakita. Saan pa ba yan? Pakita natin yan. Have confidence. So, see, diba? Strength card talaga. Oh, apat na beses sa sinabi, strength. Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. No? Today, I maintain control of my emotions. I raise up above my self-doubt. I affirm my own power and stand strong in my unshakable faith. Today, I know that I have the strength to overcome anything I encounter. I find my courage in the truth, holding tight to the force of love. I introvert over fear. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo labanan yung takot mo. No, kailangan mo maging matapang. Kumbaga, minsan talaga nawawala na yung, kumbaga nagkakaroon ka ng doubt, no? Parang, kumbaga, pag-alinlangan sa paniniwala. Kasi sa mga nangyayari sa'yo. So, kumbaga, ganun talaga, na natural yan, you are also a human. So, ibig sabihin dito, talaga na yung nararamdaman mo is natural yan, no? Natural yan talaga nararamdaman mo, magkaroon ka ng ganyan. Pero yung, kailangan ma-encourage mo or magkaroon ka ng consistency na, kumbaga, ma-encourage mo yung sarili mo na lakasan ng loob mo, no? Labanan ng takot at pangamba mo at kailangan mong solusyonan ang mga problemang pinagdadaanan mo. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, maraming salamat Sagi for your wonderful reading. This reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalaan kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na gumapang ang biyayang pagkakalob sa iyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!